Hiking can take you anywhere, through deserts, forests, mountains, and more, but the right shoes can make or break your adventure. Today I'll share the pros and cons of 4 types of shoes that I use for hiking in all seasons and terrains. First up, I want to show you my favorite go-to, which is just regular athletic shoes. I love that these are lightweight, they are designed for lots of activity, and they have excellent support in the arch and in the tread. The downsides are that they're not waterproof, so they're not great for the wet trails, and the mud can really be a hassle to clean off of them. Also, if I'm on a sandy trail, sand gets inside of my shoes, which honestly is really uncomfortable. For cold weather, I love these winter boots. They're absolutely fantastic. They are completely waterproof, so snow and slush are absolutely no problem, and the tread is great on icy trails. A great feature that I love is the no-tie elastic laces. That makes them really quick and easy to put on. However, I do think they loosen up over time, which is annoying. They're also really warm thanks to this fleece lining, which is cozy in freezing temperatures, but it can make your feet sweat during longer hikes. On the downside, these boots are heavy and they're bulky, which makes them difficult to pack and can lead to foot fatigue after a while. My rain boots are my go-to for wet and muddy trails. They're completely waterproof and they're really easy to clean, which makes them perfect for rain and for puddles. However, the tread is not great and I've actually slipped several times, but they are really cute and they do double as everyday wear. This pair has leather laces, which I appreciate because laces provide a tighter fit, something that I do miss with my regular galoshes, but the leather laces can be tricky to tie tightly, so they're not always the most secure. Thankfully, they do have a zipper, and that makes them a little bit easier to pull on and off, which is a bonus. Since these are not specifically designed for hiking, I did have to add some Dr. Scholl's inserts for extra comfort, but that's no big deal. Finally, actual hiking boots. So these are designed specifically for trails. They have amazing tread, they have great ankle support, and absolutely they're waterproof. But the cons are that they're a little bit stiff, which takes some getting used to even after you've broken them in. They're also very heavy, and I think they're pretty expensive. Plus, packing them can be a real challenge. Each of these shoes has its time and place, just depending on your weather, terrain, and how long your hike is. I have links to the specific shoes I mentioned in the comments, so check them out. Let me know in the comments, what is your go-to hiking shoe? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more hiking tips. I am the Modern Mavennial. Happy hiking!